hurricane season underway, we've had a lot of clients ask us about flooding in the area, as they have concerns, and rightfully so, about living in a coastal area and how their potential home could be affected during a storm. So today I want to take a quick minute to discuss where you can go to learn more about the risks on specific areas that you might be considering purchasing in, and I'll also give some resources for those already living in the affected areas of Horry County, South Carolina. Horry County now has a resource called Map Your Move. I'm going to show you a few features of this site and how it's useful to you. So first, let's look at their hazards feature. Here, you can check out the FEMA flood zone areas. The areas shown on the flood maps as zones with the letters A or V, such as these, are considered high-risk areas. In these areas, there's at least a 1 in 4 chance of flooding during a 30-year mortgage. So if you have a mortgage in these zones, you will be required to carry a flood insurance policy. But according to experts at the NFIP, which is the National Flood Insurance Program, everyone lives in a flood zone. And actually, 1 in 5 claims originate outside of the high-risk areas. So even if your home is not in a zone requiring flood insurance, we feel that you should strongly consider talking to your insurance agent about purchasing a policy. What's the average cost? The average cost of a flood insurance policy in South Carolina is about $689, but costs vary greatly depending on what flood zone you're in. The higher the risk, the higher the policy cost. The NFIP only insures up to $350,000, which would be $250,000 for the house and up to $100,000 for its contents. There's options to get additional coverage from private insurance companies if you need. Looking for savings? A flood elevation certificate showing that the living area is at least 3 feet above the base flood elevation can save a ton of money on flood insurance costs. So for example, if you have a raised beach home, this certificate could be beneficial to you. But please note that these flood maps are consistently changing, so technically your home could not be in a high-risk flood zone when you purchase it, and then have that change during your ownership. Another useful feature of the Map Your Move site is the evacuation zone layer. This will show you if the home you're considering is in an evacuation zone, and if so, which one. Besides flooding, this site can also show you things nearby to the home you're looking at, such as fire stations, parks, recreation facilities, libraries, and hospitals. Have a child in school? You can easily look up the school districts on this site. Want to know if the home you're looking at is in the city limits? This site can help you there as well. I'm putting a link to the Map Your Move site in the description below for you. But quickly, I want to mention that Horry County and FEMA do have assistance programs for homeowners that have had repetitive loss due to flooding from hurricanes, severe storms, or prolonged rain events. For example, right now in the Socastee area, you can apply through August 25th, 2021 for the Horry County Buyout program. I'm going to include a link to this application as well as a link to the other buyout programs for you in the description below. These web links have information about the process of a buyout, and as you will see, it can take between 8 to 15 months to complete one of these. We hope that this information proves useful to you in your home search, or even as an existing homeowner in Horry County, South Carolina. If you have questions, if you want additional information, or if you're interested in buying or selling a home, please feel free to reach out to us anytime. Call, text, email. And also, if you have any topics that you would like to see us cover, we'd love to know about it. So please comment below and we will be happy to oblige. And as always, remember to please like this video and subscribe to our channel as we release new videos every week that you won't want to miss. Have a great day!